Welcome to this particular session of this video. In our last video, we were able to create a countdown time format. You can say a digital clock time countdown. So in this video, we're going to do a similar project, similar thing on it, but in this way, because in our last one, we were able to just do for that of clock. In this way, we're just going to do a basic countdown, just to count down something. Just if I'm going to count 4, 3, 2, 1. There's nothing really special on it. So let me just comment this out and then let me come down here. Use a while loop to handle this kind of problem. Let's create a variable. Let's say variable is going to be x. This x is just a variable. I'll give it a value 7. And what are we going to do with this? We are going to check in a situation whereby if this x is greater than 0. Okay, let's do that. So I'll start what we're doing. Can say x, y, x. We're going to make use of while loop. We want this thing to be running till this x turn to 0. We're going to keep on reducing the value of x till, okay, let's say x is greater than 0. So let's print our x. So to run our x, since our x is what 7, so it's just like saying 7 is greater than 0. You know, for while loop to run, there must be a true condition right here. So, and in this current situation, the x is greater than 0, which is saying 7 is greater than 0. So when we print out x, it's going to print out 7. So let me run. It's going to print out 7 almost infinity. So let me Ctrl C to stop this. So we also want to do something. Anytime the x gets printed out, like when it's doing, anytime it gets printed out, we need to reduce the value of x. Hope it's not confused. I can say x equals to x. So meaning this x here, this x, this guy that is here, we're going to minus it, minus 1. So initially it was 7. Let's say here it was going to, here what was here was 7 minus 1, which is going to give us 6. So the second, when it came to the second time, now x is now 6. So 6 minus 1 is going to become 5. So it's going to do this till when this condition is no longer true, to when our x is now 0. I know that when x is in our condition here is only when x is equals to, so when x is greater than 0, which is from 1 to that of 7, that this is going to, this while loop to run. So let me run this. You can see I was able to get 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see how simple that was. We'll also try to beautify this. I can remove this. Is he going to do something? What I actually did here was just exactly what I did earlier. Just x equals to this, saying that this is just saying this method is quite mostly used, but most times people tend to use this doing something like just saying x equals to, like what I did here, x equals to x minus 1, but I just joined the minus and the plus together. Yeah, let me just set it back so it won't confuse some of us. So this is just basically what it is. So we can also try, they can see that here we're getting kind of long line. So want this is to be printed out in just a single line. So how we're going to do is we can add we can say to give an argument a value which in this print function, which is called end. Can say to set something that's going to happen. I'm going to set this like how we did in our digital clock countdown in our previous video. So when I run this, what's going to happen that instead of printing 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's going to be printed out in one line. So let's see that. Watch down here. What happened? Let me run it away. You can see it was really fast. So let me set time here. Okay, time the sleep. It was really fast for us to see. Watch 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can see how it's counting beautifully. So without this time the sleep, it's going to be really fast for us to see, like how we saw earlier. So they just, we can, after it's done running, you can say time out. I think it makes sense. So let's run it again. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out. That's sick. So I think this should be the end to this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.